Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make bacon hair avatar in Roblox, updated. Open Roblox and go to the avatar editor, then pick a basic hair or head accessory as your base. Select brown or tan colors and adjust size until it sits like bacon strips. Add a simple face or no face for classic style. Save your outfit, preview in game, and tweak placement until it looks right and playful. Start with warm brown and add lighter tan highlights along the top and edges to mimic cooked bacon. Duplicate thin hair strips and overlap them with small rotations to create natural layering. Keep each strip slightly curved and vary width to avoid uniformity. Use a subtle shine or gloss setting to simulate grease, but keep it low for realism. Test under different lighting to ensure the colors read well in-game. If you're finding this helpful, subscribe and like so I can keep making fun tutorials. Quick recommendation. A book called The Simple Path to Wealth is a great read for smart money thinking, and it pairs nicely with learning to spend wisely on avatar items. Check the description for the link and other deals I mentioned, and grab whatever helps your journey. Now let's get back to the video. Pick a classic Roblox face or a minimal expression to keep attention on the bacon hair. Add a thin headband or small hat behind the strips to anchor the look and hide attachment seams. Avoid bulky accessories that cover the layered strips or create awkward silhouettes. If you want a comedic effect, add tiny sunglasses or a mustache, but ensure the bacon remains the focal point and reads clearly in thumbnails and gameplay.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.